Artificial intelligence in the field of cybersecurity and data privacy. So it should come off as no surprise that internet users now face constantly evolving dangers when it comes to their data and their privacy due to the changing nature of the cybersecurity threat landscape. Massively, largely automated botnets are infecting consumer electronics, while phishing and other social engineering attacks aim to trick consumers into giving away their money and personal information. But to counterfeit all of this, cybersecurity has now decided to introduce AI into the armory. Security solutions in the past were mainly reactive. Researchers at cybersecurity businesses would find new malware examples, analyze them, and add them to the malware list. Although the industry continues to still employ this strategy, it is now operating more proactively, particularly in the light of concern from social engineering. In this trend, machine learning or artificial intelligence algorithms are very crucial. They are extremely helpful for quickly automating decision making and identifying patterns for incomplete or altered data. They function by initially learning from real-world information, such as security risks, false positives, and the most recent dangers discovered by the researchers all around the globe. And once the algorithm's margin of error is sufficiently small, they are totally indispensable for online security, especially since their quick decision-making decreases user friction while having no determinal effects on the user experience. This is very important for scaling up cybersecurity and also considered a positive side effect of employing AI in such fields. It not only increases security but also effectively addresses a wide variety of threats. The ability to warn users before they reach dubious websites, especially phishing sites, is one of the most interesting and valuable development. Using AI to stop new attacks before they can even surface on industry database is crucial, since these social engineering attempts frequently cause the most harm and cause consumers to lose their privacy and a lot of cash. Talking about the future, cloud-based AI-driven cybersecurity may also have a feature that extends beyond firewalls and antivirus softwares, as they can be installed on routers to improve the security of all the devices connected to a network. According to a research, almost 50% of all connected devices cannot run antivirus softwares. Without artificial intelligence, consumer cybersecurity cannot exist in the future, especially considering the scope and the threat of IoT malware. Well, I hope this was insightful, but to keep up with the ever-evolving trends and the advancements in the field of data science and artificial intelligence, subscribe to our channel.